Okay, 20B. For 20A, we made a line plot. And then 20B, it's asking how many days did she walk and what was her total distance. So there's lots of steps to this problem. We had to figure out how many days there were and how many miles were walked on each day and figure out all that total. So there's a couple ways you could have done it. You could have just taken all of those fractions together and added them all together. Or, in my opinion, something that's a little bit more efficient is multiply each distance by the number of dots that were above that. So 1.5 had 4, right? Or 5, sorry, 5. So we'd multiply 1.5 times 5. 1 5/8 had 1. That's easy, right? 1 5/8 times 1 would be 1 5/8. 1 3/4 had 2. 1 7/8 had 0, so that's nice. 2 had 1, that's an easy one. Come over here. 2 1/8 had 3. And 2 1/4 had 4. Are all my numbers correct? I was reading. Yes, okay. Now I want to make sure I got them all. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on our book. Perfect. Okay. So now I need to solve these and then add them all together. So I'm going to start with the easy ones. That's easy. This one's easy. Those are easier. But okay. Now if I multiply these, 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3 times 5, and I put it over 1 to make it an improper fraction. Can I cross simplify anywhere? No. 15 over 2. Okay. I could leave it there, or I can change it to a mixed number. Okay, I'm going to leave it there for right now. Actually, let's change it back to a mixed number. It should be what? 7.5. Okay, 2 goes into 15 7 times, which would be 14, leaving 1 left over. Okay. Here, 4 plus 3 would be, I could cross simplify here, right? That'd be 2, that'd be a 1, so it'd be 7 over 2, which would equal? Good, excellent. Okay, so I've got those. 16 plus 1 is 17. No cross simplifying there. What's 17 times 3? Did I hear 51? Yeah. Okay. I was like, I think I heard it. 7 times 3 is 21. And then if I carried the 2, 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2 would be 50. So 51 over 8. How many times can 8 go into 51? 7 would be 56. That's too much. So 6 would be 48. 51 minus 48. Okay. 8, 9, 9/4. Hey, look at that. That makes it easy. I know a lot of you were able to do that one in your head too, so that's good. All right, so now we have to add all of these together. Okay, that's our last step. So we have 7.5 plus 1 5/8 plus 3.5 plus 2 plus 6 3/8 plus 9. When I add, I need to have like denominators. Okay, I'm automatically going to go to 8s because I know 2 can go into 8. That makes it easy. So this is going to become 8. How do I get from 2 to 8? So it's going to be 4/8. That's going to be 4/8. Notice that's the same work. 1/2 is 4/8. And I'm done. Okay. So now if I add the fractions, I have 4/8 plus 5/8 is what? 9/8. And then I'm going to add 4 more 8s. It'd be 13/8. I'm just doing kind of a running record down here. And then plus 3 more. 16/8. What is that? 2. It's even to 2, right? Nice round whole number, huh? Okay, so if that equals 2, that means I need to take 7 plus 1, which is plus 3, 11 plus 2, plus 6. Oh. 13 plus 6, 19 plus 9.
28.
And then I need to add this too. So it is 30 miles. Okay? All right.